In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Notion account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Notion, maybe to declutter your digital life or just take a break from productivity tools, I'm here to guide you through the process. It's actually straightforward and won't take much time at all, so let's dive in. To start with, you need to open up Notion and sign into your account. Make sure you use the login credentials for the specific account you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, you're going to be looking for the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your gateway to all things Notion, including the settings. You should see an option labeled Settings there. Go ahead and click on it. With the settings open, you will be directed to a new page with different tabs. The one you need to focus on today is the My Account tab. This tab is where you can manage your personal information and account settings. So click on My Account to move to the next step. Now that you're in the My Account section, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. As you scroll through, you might notice various account preferences and settings, which can be handy, but our main goal is at the very bottom. Once you reach the end of the page, you'll see the option Delete My Account. It's usually highlighted or in a different color to ensure it's noticed easily. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process. After you click on Delete My Account, Notion will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is just to ensure that you really want to proceed, as deleting your account is a permanent action. It will erase all of your notes, databases, and content associated with that particular account. So before confirming, be absolutely sure that you want to delete everything because there's no turning back from this. If you're certain and ready to move forward, go ahead and confirm the deletion when prompted. Once you've confirmed, Notion will proceed to delete your account, and you will receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Notion account. It's a straightforward process, but I hope this video has helped make it even simpler for you. Remember, if you ever decide to come back to Notion, you can always create a new account and start fresh. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.